Hi there. It's a gloomy, rainy day, and I welcome you to A Vision in Voice, yet another series. And yeah, I'm super excited for this one. I'm just going to take a moment here. Nils Patel 92, hi, Sido 23, Tushar Shah 44, and many others. I'm just going to take a quick minute here by the time all you beautiful people join in. Hi Shruti, you and me, it's we joined. Leo Living Like a Legend has joined. Hi there. So I hope you all are excited just like me. I'm just going to give a disclaimer today that I might not be at the best of my voice abilities right now, but the Josh is as high as ever it could get. Shruti's already put in a message. Mansi ma'am ક્યારે આવે છે? As soon as you call her, she'll arrive. Just in a few more minutes, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, yes, we are going to have Mansi Parekh Gohil with us. As you all know that we love her craft of work. How's the Josh? Okay, audience में ये already start हो गया है, so it's absolutely high and it's going to reach the higher and highest as soon as she arrives. And I think she's right with us, and we'll have her right away in a minute. Yes, you all have seen that she's joined in here and she sent me a request. So without wasting, come on, let's do it for her. How is the Josh, guys? Everybody has started popping out with their comments saying that hi sir, and yes, absolutely. So I'm going to quickly take her online with me. All right, hello.
Hi, Drashti.
Wow, I'm so excited to have you.
I'm so
And
excited to
सभी
be
लोगों
here.
yes, जो सभी लोगों का जोश बिल्कुल हाई हो गया है. And I think this is going to be the iconic statement as ever for all the introductions. ये वाली एक tagline हम बिल्कुल miss नहीं कर पाएंगे. So everybody is join in. A quick hello from everybody to you.
Hello, everybody.
Right. So we have seen you and your craft of work. You have made us cry in your Bollywood debut movie Uri. And at the same time, if we see things like Sumit Sambhal Lega or Gaur Keri for that matter, you do not fail to entertain us, make us laugh. So I have termed you as a boss lady, an actor, a singer, now turned into a producer. So you are that lady, that with many feathers on your cap. So how is it going for you? How was the unlock period also now, since we are all resuming and trying to resume back to work? How have you been?
I have been fabulous. I mean, it's been a great, I think all of us are in a little bit of a limbo because of lockdown. But
Yeah.
slowly, things are opening, and I'm very excited because we just finished shooting. So I was very happy to be on set after like 6 months almost.
Right.
And so, yeah, it's been going very good. I'm so glad Gold Keri came out before the lockdown
Yes.
happened. And now it's on Amazon Prime, and yeah, we're doing another season of Do Not Disturb. So,
Yes, and
um,
on that note, congratulations for Gold Kerry. It has also made its way to Canada's film festival. Would you like to tell our
yes,
audience to share the good news with them?
yes. So, there is a film festival in Canada called IFFA, IFA, that's happening. And basically, Gold Keri is going to be screened on 11th September in Calgary. In
Right.
Canada, it's going to be like a drive-in theater festival, so everybody can just drive in their cars and just watch the film, and it'll be an interesting experience because I think people are still very skeptical about moving out and actually watching a film in a theater. So this
Hmm.
will be good. Like people can just sit in their car and drive to the lockdown theater and see the
Right.
film
Just
and
imagine
enjoy
if
it.
we had something similar to do in Mumbai or in India, considering an open theater, which places like Ahmedabad and all of these places has this long time. But since
Huh.
considering this period, imagine how weird would it be rather, because everybody would drive into their cars, and if there was any live in concert also for that matter happening. What are your thoughts?
There was a drive-in
There was
theater, no, in Bandra near
there,
Dharavi.
yes, there was
Years ago. Of
years
course,
ago.
then
Yeah,
nobody used to go there, so they now
go there.
it's no longer there. Now it's BKC. That whole
Right.
area is now a part of BKC. But yeah,
Correct.
I think I read an article somewhere saying that they might start drive-in theaters
Yes.
again in
Yes.
post-lockdown in Corona. I mean,
I
post-lockdown in
think,
India. So
yeah, I think it would be a good idea because we miss
yeah,
our movies, and I miss bumping into you at Oberoi Mall while you are there to watch your movies. I
yes.
miss all of that.
So I'm gonna say hi to some people. Stuti
Yes, yes.
Gala, hi Priyal. I met you at Yaucha, Mumbai with your daughter. Oh, okay. Hi Stuti. Hi dude, Kevin. Kevin. Hi Amit. Hi, hi Rujus. Hi Priyal. Hi Dewdrop. Hi Vinay. Raftar. Waiting for Do Not Disturb season 2. Yes, even I am waiting
Yes,
to,
we are excited.
show.
So what's different? Because we saw Do Not Disturb one, breaking the stereotypes, and it addressed those topics also, which are not that common to see in Gujarati movies or theater as a whole. So what's it about, slaying it across there, and also as a producer? So, what are your thoughts about the same? How does this entire episode of Do Not Disturb and producing the same, acting into it with Malhar, of course, and so many talented actors and special appearances? What new do we have this time?
I think what we wanted to do with Do Not Disturb. गुजराती में बात करूँ कि इंग्लिश
हाँ
में
हाँ
बोलूँ?
please. Yeah,
Because I
whatever. We
think
can switch on to
गुजराती
Hindi,
शोनी
English,
बात करनी છે તો
Gujarati.
પછી गुजराती में
हाँ हाँ
बोलीશ.
भले भले.
Like, what we wanted to do with Do Not Disturb, basically, the idea that I had was to talk about things that modern Gujarati couples talk about, but we don't really see that anywhere in films, or we don't really read about it. So I thought,
Right.
I should make something which is very different. I mean, it's regular conversation for a married couple, but if imagine you enter a bedroom of a married couple talking about all these things, you're like, अरे यार, हाँ, हमारी life में पण आ થાય છે, हमारी life में पण आ થાય છે. And I have so many people who've told me that they've seen Do Not Disturb on loop because they relate to a lot of the things
Yes.
that the show talks about. So, yeah, and season 2, we were very excited because we were supposed to shoot in March for
Okay.
season 2, and everything, the planning and everything had happened, but then the lockdown happened,
Yeah.
and then finally we did it last month. This month, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And because also I'm producing it, so we were very particular about the whole safety, security.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a full video which I'll be sharing on my social media very soon about how the oximeter, thermostat, and sanitization,
Yeah.
and gloves and PPE kit, and everything was in place so that people would feel safe.
Safe.
They would feel safe, and because the actors don't wear masks on set, so we had it to be very safe, and it went really well, and it's come out even more exciting and more funny than season 1. So
Wow, this
we
is
are all looking
exciting.
forward. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And I think perhaps now that's the new normal. So those are the norms that one has to follow in all sorts
Yeah.
of fields that they belong to. Now talking about and coming back to the topic that I had sent you to address, that talking about this multi-faced identity of a modern woman. And I see you, I adore you for, being that boss lady out there. But are there many challenges that you would have faced जो डिफिकल्टीज आपने अपने जर्नी में महसूस की हो एंड आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम दैट शुड बी नॉर्मलाइज्ड व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स अबाउट दैट
Yes, yes, of course, absolutely. I think everybody faces difficulties all the time. And when you're a mother, you face double more difficulties. And if you're a working mother, you do face more challenges because you're trying to figure out work, you're trying to figure out your house, and I'm very particular about both my house and my work.
राइट
I Some of my friends tell me, "Yaar, why are you so responsible? Why are you so boring?" I'm like, but I love, taking care of the house, and I love taking care of my daughter as
राइट
well.
राइट
There are challenges many a times, I mean, if Nirvi, like, if she's not well and if I have to go for a shoot, then that's a challenge. Then I don't know how to deal with it. So
राइट
even I take every day as it comes. I don't have any set formula for it. But yes, I make sure that there's enough support that I have. And at the same time, I've always made sure that I've taken Nirvi with me wherever I go.
we have
Uh,
seen that in fact in all your
yeah.
stories and sometimes we've seen you when you're away from her maybe for a couple of days or more and then you'd be missing and then you'd be sharing her pictures and I think it's a very motherly thing that all mothers would rather relate to but is there
Yeah.
any also guilt that comes
No.
across when you are trying to prioritize work and something you feel is left behind?
No, because I spend equal time with her.
Yeah.
Like when I'm not working, I'm only with her.
Right.
So I'm giving her my 100% when I'm with her. So when I'm working 100%. Like even right now, I was 10 days away from her. I was shooting in Ahmedabad. And she managed very well because when I was shooting for Gold Keri, I was away for a month.
Month. Yeah.
So she's kind of used to me doing it. I don't do it too often,
Yeah.
but so I kind of try to balance that because this is her growing period, and till the age of 6, they are very sensitive and they pick up things very fast. So I
True.
want to be a
True.
part of that whole process. Like right now, we're homeschooling her every day, as in homeschooling, as in her school,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
online,
But
like every
online.
parent is going
Yes.
through. So yeah, so I mean, all of that is happening. Every day is a new day. Day is a new challenge, like any mother would tell you. It's not
Yeah.
easy, but it's fun.
But it's fun and it's like momentarily. You go with the flow and you take
Yeah,
things as they come.
yeah, absolutely.
But what and whom do you fall back on when you require that source of support, or that is this one person easy to, of course, apart from Parthiv Bhai, who is definitely going to be there sharing parenthood. But Parthiv Bhai ke alawa bhi, there's this one person, if you are not there physically present, and maybe if you want your things to get done, you know that I have this person and I can rely back and I can fall back on this
So I have
person.
a
And
very, very good support staff. Like Ronali is our nanny, and she really takes care of Nidhi. And Ronali is like become like my smaller sister, and she's been with me since 3 years, so she's there
yeah,
taking care
and
of
she's
Nidhi.
also adapted to the space and the
Huh.
people around and all
And
of that.
family is there. My mom is
Family.
there, and Parthiv is there, of course, and all of us are there. So we are all there.
Yes. Okay, and now I wanted to ask you about the unlock period. We have seen you being in the kitchen also that you enjoy so much, and all your amazing recipes that you work and always entice to it and be like, okay, now I also got to try this. लेकिन उसके अलावा भी, because quarantine gave you a lot of free time, I assume, not really a free
Yeah.
time, but converting it into a productive time. How do you usually spend your me time, and why is it so important to have that particular few minutes in your life, in your day, that only belongs to yourself?
Yeah, I think it's very important for everybody to have me time, especially once you become a mother. Because then what happens is you get so occupied with so many things in the house, with the baby and the work and everything, that you kind of forget to kind of take some time off. So for me, that is in the morning before everybody wakes up. I wake up, I do my meditation, I do my workout. So I feel really like pumped for the day. And then I wake up Nirvi. So that 1 hour, that 1.5 hours in the morning that I get before everybody wakes up, for me is my me time.
Okay.
So I love that. And of course, the thing is that I love to cook in the kitchen. So that is great. I love to kind of read, and I love to do yoga. So these are all things that I love, and I keep doing them. Like in lockdown, though, I think बहुत ही time मिला है ये सब करने को.
बिल्कुल.
But
And I think one somebody beach में also said, "Ma'am, आपने biryani बहुत सरस थी." I think not only the biryani, right from a 3 minute with a white sauce recipe to a biryani that has its own layers, like Mansi special layers out there.
yeah.
It was so
Arey,
exciting to
my
watch.
mom is such a fabulous cook that I always end up, seen her cook, and I love food just like how my mom loves food. So I've taken her love for food, and I keep cooking all the time. Today I'm at my mom's place only, and she's made
Okay.
falafel for dinner.
Wow. Give my regards to Auntie. I have bumped into
Sure.
her a couple of times at Rangila Way. I'm not sure.
Acha.
Yeah.
Wait, there is a couple of people who are trolling me. Somebody saying Hussein Kavadia is saying अगर इंग्लिश में बात करना है तो इंस्टा पे आने का क्या मतलब ये क्या हुआ? ऐसा
Acha,
है
I
कि
also want
इंस्टा
to.
पे इंग्लिश अलाउड नहीं है?
I had put this into one of my burning questions that would be coming, but I think you have since addressed it right. मैं अभी आपको पूछ लेती हूँ, तो ऐसे इग्नोर्स को हम ट्रोल करें कि सीधा ब्लॉक करें?
नहीं अब यार ये क्या मतलब ये मुझे समझ नहीं आता. Trolls, of course it's a democracy, it's social media, everybody's free space, so you can vent out whatever you want to, and then it's our choice whether we react to it or not, and whether we want to or not. But this I wanted to react to because Hussein is saying कि अगर इंग्लिश में ही बात करनी थी तो आप क्यों आए इंस्टा पे? तो क्यों
अरे ऐसा
इंग्लिश में
मतलब,
बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ
बिकॉज
मतलब
काफी लोग हैं
मतलब
जो हिंदी जो गुजराती ना समझे, तो
ना
इसलिए हम
समझे,
लोग इंग्लिश में
राइट,
बात कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स ओके, एंड आई एम वेरी फ्लुएंट इन
दैट
गुजराती एंड हिंदी एज वेल, सो इज दृष्टि. सो We will be
I don't
splitting
think so.
between different languages.
Right.
Kavin Dude is
And
asking, do you remember your visit to Kiddo Fido? I had the first project of Sula Smart City. Okay, hi Kavin, I remember. Mansi ma'am, can you please say my name once? Paridhi. Hi Paridhi.
right, and there are many others
Uh,
that say you inspire me, and some positive comments out there, ma'am. मैम आप किसी भी भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं मैम आई एम योर बिगेस्ट फैन I've been following you since quite a long time. So, there's always something positive to pick up.
of course, of course.
Yeah. And I think that's the right way to go about it. चलिए
yeah, absolutely.
अब because हमारे
So,
पास समय की थोड़ी सी पाबंदी है and because
हाँ,
I have promised you also that rather than getting it too much of gyan kind of a chat, we might also have a
let's make
fun
it a
chat.
fun chat.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have prepared. I have a list of few quick fun segments here. Starting from
Okay.
which is a burning question का list. Of course, I would have थोड़ा मैंने उसमें कलाकारी दिखाने की कोशिश की है. But let's see how we go about it. But are you excited? How is the Josh, Mansi?
Are, the Josh is very, very high.
All right, so we'll
Hyper.
shoot it in a rapid fire way, and I think our audience can also stay connected while she addresses ये हमारे कुछ questions को. Okay. सबसे पहले
Sure.
the most silly fear or something that creeps you out.
Sorry, my what?
So the most silliest thing or maybe
Acha.
yeah some sort of a fear that creeps you out.
I really get creeped out by cockroaches.
I was kind of
And
expecting that, yeah.
and yeah, actually, I don't have any fears. Yeah, I don't have any fears, but yes, I get scared of cockroaches.
Cockroaches.
I
Okay.
get scared. No, I get scared of anything creepy crawly. It could be snakes,
Okay,
cockroaches.
so
I imagine if I had to do Khatron Ke Khiladi, I would never be able to do it.
no, but okay,
No,
yeah, maybe. Right.
because of all
So
these insects
reptiles,
and cockroaches.
yeah,
Yeah,
reptiles and all of these insects and things, yeah, they do creep out a lot of
I get
people.
scared. I get
But
very
you know
scared.
what? I kind of love snakes. That's a thing. I mean, I love their beauty and all of that. Of course, I would panic equally as you or more than you if I had to, encounter a snake. But I kind of like
Wow,
them. Yeah.
that's nice.
Okay.
You
One
could, you should
particular
audition. You should audition for Nagin.
with my long hair and something like that, we
Yeah,
can do something.
you'll
I
be
can try.
cast.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on. What memory, like one particular memory, do you keep going back to, which has probably been the brightest of all memories?
So I don't go back too much in life actually. This I was just
Okay.
having a discussion with Parthiv about this that we don't really go back in time, but the lockdown has given us so much time to actually go back. So I think there are
Yeah.
lots of special memories, so many of them. But my very special memory was when I stayed alone in New York for 4 months when I was studying at the Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute as a student, and I
Oh,
was
okay.
learning theatre and dramatics. So that was a very special time for me. I think it really changed me as a person. So if I had to say one, then I would choose that.
That one. Okay, okay. Now, what is that one wish that you wish that people stopped asking you?
How's the Josh?
Really?
No, no, no,
But
no,
now
no, no,
then
no.
that's going to be like stuck forever, like मजबूती वाला जोड़ ना फेविकॉल
No,
जैसा.
the one
But
thing people keep asking me, Sumit संभालेगा season 2 कब आएगा? I
कब आएगा?
don't know. I don't know.
But that
I
was
don't
saying
know
कि
कब
सुमित
आएगा.
संभाल लेगा टू कब आएगा ये तो काफी टाइम से and then there was
हाँ.
some sort of a hype also बीच में. But that was
Because
what
it
people
came
are
back on
used
TV,
to.
na? It came back on
Yeah,
TV.
maybe. And because all the characters and the entire content wise, it was so much appreciated that people still want more of it.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, maybe that's the kind of love that comes along with it. Okay. Up next is what part of your culture are you most and least proud of?
You mean Indian culture?
Yeah, or Gujarati if we consider. Yeah.
What part of the culture am I most proud of? I think ગુજરાતી ભાષા એટલી સુંદર છે અને એટલી સરસ છે. હવે મારે ગુજરાતીમાં બોલવું છે કેમ કે
Hmm.
આ ભાષા કહેવાય ને કે આપણે મુંબઈમાં રહીને ઘણીવાર ભાષાથી દૂર થઈ જઈએ છે. પણ એક કલાકાર છીએ અને આપણે મેં ગુજરાતી સુગમ સંગીત શીખ્યું છે અને હવે ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મો અને ગુજરાતી વેબ સિરીઝ પણ કરી રહી છું. તો મારી માટે
Right.
બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ હતી કે હું મારી ભાષામાં મારી માતૃભાષામાં વાત કરી શકું. અને હવે છેલ્લા 2-3 વર્ષથી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીનું આઈ થિંક સો ગુજરાતી કલ્ચર ફોર મી ધ ફૂડ ધ પીપલ the language the literature everything is superb I love that ખાલી એક વસ્તુ મને નથી ગમતી કે એ શું કરો ના લ્યા કાંઈ નથી થવાનું યાર ઈ જે છે ને આઈ ડોન્ટ નો આ વસ્તુ પર સમજ નથી પડતી ઘણા બધા જણ મને સ્પેશિયલી ગુજરાતી જે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે કે શું યાર કરોના આપણે આખી દુનિયામાં કરોના છે કેમ તમને એવું લાગે છે કે તમને નથી થવાનું સો that's one thing I don't like
about
but apart from that I think Guju's I was just telling somebody I think every show on television that is popular is either based on a Gujarati family or
has that one
every show
yeah,
yes every
almost,
show
yes.
every show you name any show that's been most popular all of them have Gujarati people so yeah
Absolutely, sense of pride for us. All right, moving on. One fact about you that we as audience do not know, like this is one rare thing जो हमें नहीं ही पता है.
बहुत सारी
Okay, I think I know one. I noticed that you are a left-handed person.
Yes, I am. I'm a hooked lefty, so I write like this.
Yes, so I saw that in the video and I was like, okay, this we did not know. So what is that other thing that we did not know?
The other thing that I don't know that I only sleep on one side of the bed.
Oh, okay.
So if it's a bed, I always sleep on my right side.
Okay.
So that's
Nice.
Yeah, people would not know that.
Okay. Yeah, people have just stepped in, putting their comments like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma is popular because Tisha Wakani, Dilip Joshi, they are Gujarati and of course they suit the character so well. मातृभाषा ની વચ્ચે કોઈ એ વાત કરી. So I think they also do agree to us on major parts. Okay, coming up next is what is that one thing that annoys you the most? Like you cannot stand it.
People without masks. If you ask me currently,
Right now, yeah. Totally.
I don't understand how people can be without masks. We are without masks because we're at home. But if you're outside, you have to wear masks, not just for yourself, but for people around you.
Yes.
And another thing that annoys me, actually lots of things annoy me.
The list can go on.
Arey yaar, chodo, I'll get into a lot of controversy.
Okay, let's not get into it then. Okay.
One thing
okay,
is
this
enough. No, I told you.
That is absolutely okay. And I think that's the new normal. Your sanitizers and masks have to be in place all the time. All right. Up next is what app or which app on your phone should you use less? Probably you spending a lot.
Instagram.
You cannot mock. We cannot get mocked here on Instagram. But yes, that's like a confession and a guilty pleasure both that we tend to spend so much time.
I'm an Instagram addict. And also because of lockdown, there's so much, like, because the phone is the only thing you have, right? Apart from your family. So Instagram thoda zyada hi ho gaya hai. And sometimes I get like notification on my phone saying, you spent 7.5 hours on screen time. And I'm like,
Too much. Isko abhi cut karna padega.
Yeah.
Okay, and talking about Instagram and talking about all the public figures, any one profile that you really look up to, that you enjoy watching their feed?
Yeah, lots of interesting. I love Superwoman. I think she's amazing. And then I like following Masaba Gupta. She's recently launched a show on Netflix. I love.
Absolutely, and I think the Mother Brewer pair also. I mean the kind of feed that they come up with.
Yeah.
I think it's more than. I think when you name Masaba, I think it's more of her personal touch to it also. That also gets her a lot of love on social media. I feel.
Yes. Absolutely.
Other than of course, the work that she does. But even you, I would want you to address that as our celebrities, your public figures, you're there out on social media, you're sharing your life out there. So, of course, when we did spoke about the trolls coming in because that is going to be there. But how do you deal with your social media attention? Because you get all kind of comments, you get all kind of love and hate comments. So how do you go about it?
So it's very simple. I just tell people who have a problem with me or my posts that don't follow me.
Right.
I mean, if you have a problem with anything that I'm doing, then don't follow me. I mean, if you really think there's something wrong, then don't follow me. And if you have something that I should, like, there are some mistakes that, like, I remember I made some mistake. I named some university wrong in some tag, and somebody messaged me saying that, no, this is not right. Things like that one understands, you know.
Yeah.
There was a video of Nirvi chopping bhindi, you know, and I was right next to her while shooting it. So
Oh, I see that. Oh, yes.
the knife was not very sharp, but a lot
Yeah.
of mothers got very scared. So that kind of thing I understand. Like people get scared, they react to it. I understand that. So that's okay. But when people become unnecessarily negative and vicious, I'm like, ये क्या हो गया? मैंने
ये
क्या
क्या
किया?
हो
तो
गया?
मैंने क्या
Yeah.
बिगाड़ा तुम्हारा? So I mean, you know, so then I'm like, then I don't respond. I just like ignore. I'm very good at ignoring.
Ignorance is bliss. See, again, we're talking about Sumit संभाल लेगा कब आएगा कब आएगा कब आएगा
That's
लोगों
what.
के questions चालू हो
Exactly.
गए. Okay. All right. Moving on. What is your go-to lockdown recipe that you enjoyed cooking the most? Or rather, the recipe के मतलब आज कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो हमने ये बना लिया.
Dal khichdi.
I think that's the best.
It's
And
yum and it's
Yeah.
easy to make and it's just perfect. Healthy also.
Yeah, totally. Okay, what is your go-to fashion statement?
Big curly hair, little lipstick, and little mascara. That's it. I mean, that's my statement with anything I wear.
Awesome. Okay, so now, do you follow, because you've been spending so much of time on Instagram, I'm sure you have come across this topic. And please pay attention as I ask you my last question of the burning question round is, रसोड़े में कौन था?
Gopi wow!
I'm so sorry, I was so skeptical to ask you this, but I thought, why not? It's going to be a fun thing.
रसोड़े में कौन था? Gopi wow!
What was that? मैं थी, तुम थी.
मैं थी, तुम थी.
राशि
तुम
थी.
थी, मैं थी, राशि थी.
Oh my God!
A lot of my non-Guju friends are like, what is rasoda?
Yeah,
I was
because
thinking
Rasoda is
Gujarati
called
kitchen is called rasodu.
Rasoda. Yeah, Rasodu. That's right. Okay, so now moving on to the next segment is this or that. So I'm going to give you two options, and you ought to choose any one of them. Of course, depending on your likes or your favorites. Starting from comedy or drama.
Comedy.
Okay. Theater or cinema. And
That's a
live
tough one.
theater. Or
Live theater, yeah. Nothing beats live. Cinema, so you can
Nothing.
also watch it on TV, but live theater is
Nothing
live
like
theater.
life experience. A lifetime of an experience, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay, tea or a coffee person?
Neither. I don't drink tea or coffee.
Okay. So what do you what do you enjoy? Or
I
rather,
get
what's
up
your
in the
point?
morning. I have a turmeric shot.
Oh, okay.
So I have like there's a 7
Immunity
ingredient
booster
powder.
kind of a shot.
Immunity booster. I've been having since like a year now. Before
Okay.
it became trending because of Corona. Thanks to my mom. So she makes this powder and I have that with garam pani every morning.
Lovely. Okay, up next is straight hair or curly hair? Because see, वो तो है ही, of course.
I'm a curl lover. I love curls.
Absolutely, and we love your curls. Oh my God, how I love. You know, because
Because the best part is you don't have to comb only. You just have to leave your hair the way it is.
Right, that too. Okay, moving on. We have Netflix and chill or go for a long drive. I
Go
mean,
for
this
a
is
long drive.
Corona times.
Too much Netflix and chill has happened. Go for a long drive.
Long
Go for a
drive now. तो अभी तो मतलब निकलो वैसा सीन है. Okay.
Seriously.
Mountains or beach?
Beach. At this point, beach for sure.
I'm also a beach person. Yeah, hands down there. Instagram or Twitter? You think is the
Insta.
most productive space?
Productive, though, after some time, neither of them are.
Neither
Because
of
then
them.
it takes up too much time. But Twitter is Twitter because if you want to see what opinions people have, then you go to Twitter. But if you want to see other people's life, you want to see, check out new trending things in food and fashion,
I think
makeup, then it's Insta.
All right, so that one goes out there to Instagram. Okay, I think we just addressed about the trolling thing. Ignore is bliss. Okay, up next is freedom or hope.
hope for freedom.
Wow, that's too smart. So another one also I know it's going to be extra smart there. Being
What?
rich or being famous.
Being famously rich.
I was expecting all these kind of answers. Okay, now next also is going to be a tricky one, but I don't know. So Parthiv Gohil, a better husband or a better father?
He's a great guy, so
Overall.
he's yeah, overall fabulous.
Yeah.
Partha is just amazing.
And I
So
second that totally, totally. Okay, we have something here. A nice example. I don't know, but it's Jodhva in
evolution or revolution?
evolution or revolution.
हाँ,
Yeah,
even I read that.
yeah.
एवोल्यूशन यार, एवोल्यूशन होना जरूरी है, तो ही जिंदगी आगे बढ़ सकती है.
राइट और अभी जितने भी फैंस यहाँ पर है उनके लिए एक खास सेगमेंट आ रहा है सो दिस इज द सरप्राइज गेम दैट आई हैड प्लान फॉर यू सो देर आर
My
टू
mom, my mom is also silently saying, "Mansi, my Jan." She's in the next room.
see wow hello auntie and you know this is the best thing of moms like even when I just because even I had absolute no work and that is when I thought of you know starting this live series and
हाँ.
was wanting to do it but then I had a stray cat and its kitten that I was fostering in my house and she had gone an eye removal surgery so you know I was taking care of that and all of that and then I switched to this so it got a bit delayed I know I'm last in the race to do my live series but I think everything has its own time and the
Yeah.
day I announced this my mom was there on social media you know sharing my post so I mean this is the kind of love that moms are always
Yeah.
going to be supporting all sorts of things that we do and want to do in lives so
Sure.
cheers to that to all the lovely moms and you Mansi for sure being a super mom out there. Okay, so talking about this segment is I have three songs in place and I'm going to give you the English translations and because you're a singer, I'm sure you will be able to guess them right. So these are two Gujarati songs and one Hindi song. Okay, so starting the first one with it's a Gujarati one, and I have heard this song from you on your social media platforms and out there. So I know that ये एक favorite शायद हो सकता है आपका. I'm not sure, but the English translation of this Gujarati song goes like, I went to a fun and fair, found
हूँ
a
तो
mind.
गई थी मेले, मन
Yeah,
मन 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 મળી ગયું એની મેળે મેળામાં, હૈયું હણાઈને ગયું તણાઈ, જો બનના રેલામાં મેળામાં મેળામાં મેળામાં.
yay! Is that your favorite? One of your favorites?
I mean, I mean, Navratri songs are my favorite. Garba is, amazing. I love it. I'm gonna miss it so much this year. I mean, last year we were together, Drashti. You were anchoring Parthiv's show.
Absolutely, yeah.
So it was crazy energy. બહુ સરસ વાતાવરણ અને જે આખી જે કહેવાય ને કે આમ નવ રાત જે માણીએ છે આપણે આ વર્ષે નહીં થાય બટ નેક્સ્ટ યર.
Yeah, I mean this year Navratri pata nahi kya hai kya nahi hai but we're going to miss it for sure and people's requests have also started coming in so if you're open we can have them after my quiz round up next because we spoke about Gujarati Navratri and all of the things and sharing the same platform of Rangilo Re this was one performance out there I have termed it as Nirvi version of I will buy you a 4-ring car, I'll buy you a 4-bangle doll.
મારા વીરા વિરલ તને લાડી લઈ દઉં, મારા નાનચક વીરા તને લાડી લઈ દઉં, તારી લાડલીને ફરવા ઓડી ગાડી લઈ દઉં તને, ચાર ચાર બંગડી વાળી ગાડી લઈ દઉં વીરા, ચાર ચાર બંગડી વાળી ઓડી લઈ દઉં.
Wow. And I remember you had Nirvi by you and then you'd picked up her on stage and then you were like,
Yeah.
"Ne char char bangdi wali tingli lai do." So
ઢીંગલી
that
લઈ
was,
દઉં.
yes, that was so very amazing out there. And the last one is a Hindi Bollywood song. So when things go bad, when in times of difficulties, you come to
जब
my
कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल बढ़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा.
Awesome, and people have also put in their comments and up there with Navratri is incomplete without you guys and things like that. Right, and also somebody said that loved your performance at Isha Foundation. So we know that
Yeah.
both you and Parthiv Bhai have been devotees to Isha Foundation, and you go and perform and also have some time off. So would you like to address our audience with the spiritual touch that you have in your lives?
Yes, of course, Isha is a big part of our lives, and it's changed our lives in the last 7 years now. And the Isha Foundation does a lot of amazing work when it comes to yoga, when it comes to charity, when it comes to so many things. I'm sure everybody's heard of Sadhguru, and
Yeah.
Sadhguru's grace has been on our life since ever since we've started practicing Isha. And I can go on and on and on about it. It'll become like a an Isha conversation. But I just want to say that it's beautiful. If you don't know what Isha is, then please go and Google it. It's absolutely lovely, and the practices are amazing. You should definitely do the inner engineering, which is the Shambhavi Mahamudra yogic practice.
All right. Thank you for that info. And I think we've consumed a lot of time out there doing our fun chat. So, any special message that you have for the audience? Any closing
First, I want to
thoughts?
say
Yeah.
Stuti has been sending messages left, right, and center. So thank you so much for all the love, Stuti. I know I read your comments on my Insta as well. And the Davi Pradeep, hi Shivanji Joshi, hi Sadekar from Bangladesh, Shaunak Parekh, Chirag Gajjar, Neil Bharadwaj. Okay, somebody's asked a couple of requests, so maybe I should just sing a little bit. This is
Yes.
actually a duet that I sing with Parthiv, but I'll sing it alone.
Yeah.
एक नागर देशनो बंको जुवानियो रंग जाने एनो नाल फागणियो कंठे गरज तु जानी श्रावणियो सावे जड़ो भरता नजरियो मावे वो नजरा तलडू धबक 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 धाय धबक 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 धाय.
Woohoo!
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that, hi Sirkin, Kesar, hi Sahib, hi everybody. Thank you so much for all the love. When when the lockdown started, the whole world was doing lives on Insta. So was I. So I
Yeah.
haven't done a live in quite a long time
I
because I
know,
was
I know.
done
I
with
did watch
live.
it.
So,
I did watch a
so
couple of.
yeah. So now that I've done this live with you, I'm glad I'm going live after a long time. And Geeta is here. Hi, Geeta. She's always a part of most of my lives.
Awesome.
Eccentric Lost Aquarian, please keep spreading Guju songs. Yeah, somebody had mentioned that why don't you start a Gujarati channel? Then please, guys, Parthiv ની channel છે Gujarati Jalso. You all should subscribe to it.
Oh yeah.
ગુજરાતી ભાષા પ્રતિનો તમારો જે પ્રેમ છે લિટરેચર હોય કે સુગમ સંગીત હોય નાટક હોય કાવ્ય હોય તમને બધું જ મળશે સો ડેફિનેટલી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ટુ ગુજરાતી જલસો.
Also, Mansi, before you leave, just one thing out here. I think she's an aspiring actress. She's asked what kind of attitude an actor should carry always.
One should carry no attitude, Baba. There are too many good actors these days. So I think you should just be working hard, honing your skill, constantly learning, upgrading yourself, learning as much as you can, and keeping lots of hope that your hard work will one day be rewarded.
All right, people are asking, ma'am, Nirvi क्या છે? Nirvi છે તમારી સાથે?
નિર્વી છે પણ ઈ સૂતી હતી એટલે હમણાં દેખાતી નથી મને લાગે છે ક્યાંક ગઈ છે અંદર.
Okay, no problem. All right, I think majorly that's about it, Mansi. And coming back to the topic that we started off is do not disturb too. So now, all the best for all the future endeavors along the side of DND2. And
Thank
when
you.
can we expect so much of?
Before the year ends, we'll have Do Not Disturb for sure.
Awesome. All right. Thank
Yes.
you so much
Thank you.
for your
Thanks
time.
a lot,
It was lovely
Drashti.
having you.
It was
Thank you
lovely
so much.
speaking with you.
Right.
Bye, Karan. Bye, Confused Indian.
Chalo.
Bye, Sanjana
Thank you,
Samji.
guys.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. Thank you, Mansi. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
See you soon around. Yeah.